Up. Good boy, son. Good boy. Right. Losing my balance. Oh, shit. Right. I once tried to come down the river and cross over to the other side, but I had to keep plunging through the water to get round the trees and get on. So I ended up having to cross back over again and climbed over this wall and went along on this side, because this is the side I should have been on in the first place, but I went wrong further up where I came through where the horses are against the fence. I didn't come that way. I came the wrong way, too close to the water's edge. That was one of the first times I've tried to come along here where I didn't know how to get along. Right, so there's the chimney pots of the bed and breakfast that you drive past coming in here. He'd be happy to just jump in the back of the car and lie down. Oh yeah, he's frightened of that frog. What's that, son? What's that? What's that, son? Good boy. Good boy, son. Leave it, leave it, leave it, leave it, leave it. No, no, leave it. Come on, Howie. So we've got to jump. No, it's not wanting to move. I thought if I touched it with my boot it'd jump, and he'd see where it is. So like I say once again, when you consider he's only 10 months old and he hasn't seen anything like that, frogs, frog spawn, all different kinds of birds, sheep, cattle, horses, doesn't know what they are. But as you get older and you see more and more things, you become wise to everything, like we do. And that's how we learn, go to school and learn all your ABCs and, you know, duck, cat, dog. But a dog just has to learn by experience and smell and sight, seeing them. Right, so you can see the pathway I've got to go back along past, alongside the wire fence here, going back to where I came from. Back over this burn again, over this wooden bridge. This wooden bridge doesn't look like it's going to last much longer. I think eventually all this water that's washing away at the embankments, it's just going to wash it away eventually, and this bridge will just drop into the water, get washed away. That'll have to be replaced soon. Getting tired now, like. I'm hot now and all with my cap on. Come here, son, come here. See if I can take my cap off and put it in my pocket. Will I go on that one? Might. It might stay in that pocket, good. Let it a bit heat out me head. Come here, son, come here. Wait, wait, wait. Come here, come here. Right. So there you have it, people. HETHPOOL LINN waterfall from HETHPOOL car park. But obviously other people haven't got the same problems as I've got for climbing over a turnstile, so you can just climb over that main turnstile and come straight across the field. But I had to go to that bottom gate and open it for me to get through. Right. Must have seen another frog or something. Standing on it. Good boy, son. Good boy. Good boy, son. Right, we're going back to the car now. You're going back home now. Go and see Talisha. Come on then. Hey, come on. Oi. I had ordered a new jacket where I pull it over my head so I don't have to bother with zips. But it's proved too difficult to pull it over my head because I can't straighten this left arm and open up my fingers to poke my arm through the bloody sleeve. So I've had to order the extra large size. So hopefully it'll give us a bit more room to slide my body up and through, poke my head through the hood and then put my arms through the sleeves to get it on. So I've got the medium to large, and I mean it's big, it fits great once I've pulled it down, once I've got it on my body, but it's just getting it over my head and pulled down. Even though it's got a zip that opens halfway up the back to help you get it on, it still proves quite difficult. So I've got to open up the sleeve straps as wide as possible so I can get my hands through. Ah, he's knackered, poor bugger. Hey, son, good boy. I know, we're nearly back to the car, son. You're going to go and have a sit down in the car. You need to have a lie down, going back home, can't you? When I'm driving back home, son. Good boy, there you are. Good boy. There you are. Good boy, son. Good boy. Hey, who's that? Who's that? Who's that? Right, come on. Go and see. Go and see. Who's that? Who's that? Who's that? Who's that, son? Who's that? Who's that? Who's it? Right, just take his mind off being tired. Oh, come on. Good boy. Who's that? Who's that? Who's that, son? Who's that? Who's it? Come on, go and see. Go and see. Who's that? Who's that, son? Come on. Where is he? Where is he? Bobby. Our son. Hi, Bobby. Hi, Bobby. Where is our son? Our son. Where's Bobby? Bobby. Our son. Where is he? Where's Bobby? Where's Bobby? Good boy, son. He's my anchor. When I go to fall back a bit, I just pull on his leader and it pulls me back up to get me balance so I can continue on. So this is our soft mud churned up by the horses coming along here, and hikers as well. But that way you come over the bit of a boardwalk, that swamp area there is terrible. Where you go through the gate where the horses stand, that's swampy as well. If I knew which way to go across the field there and go beyond through the bed and breakfast grounds onto the main road, that would be great. Are you knackered, son? You have to lie down every 5 seconds, don't you? Are you knackered, son? Good boy. Are you a good boy? He's a lovely lad. It cools him down as well because the cold ground on his belly cools him down. Good boy. We're going home now. Come on, go and get a biscuit. How are we? Go and get a biscuit. How are we? Come on. How are we? Good boy. Going home now. Come on. Going home now. Good boy. Going home now. Come on. Come on. Good boy. I'm not gonna have him in you, son. My legs are aching. No, leave it. Leave it. Oh, he's knackered. Are you knackered, son? Are you knackered? Good boy. Good boy, son. He's a good boy. You're not be in a hurry to run about and pull your granny's arms out. Because you're knackered now, aren't you? And you're knackered. You're a good boy, son. Who's a good boy? Right, so you can see the building properly now. You can see the round turrets on the front. That's where the gates are, where you can drive in off the main road as you drive down into here. You pass that big bed and breakfast. Let's just spin round, pointing back where we've just come from. As you can see, it's all beautiful countryside. You hear the pheasants on either side of the burn. Are you knackered, son? He's flat out, look. Poor bugger. Are you knackered, son? Are you knackered? Good boy. Good boy, son. Good boy. Well, I know how to get you tired so you don't pull my arms off. Just take you for long walks like now. You're a good boy, son. Right, come on, we're going now. Come on, back to the car. Come on, away. Come on, away. Come on, up, up. Come on, up you go. Come on. We're going now. Come on. Yeah. Come on, we're going now. Yeah. Come on. Good boy. Going home now. We're going back to the car. Come on. Going in the car now. Good boy, son. Going in the car now. Come on, going in the car now. Good boy, son. Are we going now? Good boy, son. Going now. Come on. How it? How it? Good boy. Good boy, son. How it? Right, come on down here. Down here. Come on. Good boy. There's a gate up there that lets you go into the grounds there. I'm sure you'll be able to go along there, follow that fence along, and then squeeze through between the buildings and then get on the main road at the far side. But because I've never done it before, I'm not sure. There's definitely a gate there with a marker post on it, look. I mean, it's a public access. Right, back over this swamp. Good boy, son. So you can see the water running along there, look. That's why this boardwalk's here, because it's all totally swamped. Full of water running along here. Right, this is where I've got to be careful not to slip down on my ass. Have a son, come on. Good boy, son. Good boy. God, this is really churned up, like, with horses and cattle coming down here, obviously. You can see the boot imprints of other people walking along here as well. Good boy, son. Good boy. Good boy. See, imagine what it was like trying to get across here without this boardwalk being here. Would have been a nightmare. Walking through this, well, he couldn't do it. It's just totally, absolutely, like 8 inches, 10 inches of water. So, if you didn't have good boots on, you wouldn't be able to walk through that lot. Good boy, son. Good boy. Good boy, son. Right, where did I walk to? Go past this lot. That's it. Oh, this whole area is just swamp, man. Normally when the two horses are standing by that bloody, you kind of get past them and it's all churned up where they stand there. I mean, they're friendly enough. I was patting them on the neck and talking to them as I went past with Corn. I mean, they weren't frightened of him and vice versa. Corn wasn't frightened of horses or cattle or anything. Right, cross over this swampy bit again. Who's that, son? Who's that? Who's that? Right, oh, got to keep close to the edge here over all these rocks. Try not to fall out, trip over. No, no, son, come on, come on. Good boy, come on. Good boy. Good boy, son. Right, right, come on, out my way, so I can get past this bloody muddy bit. Good boy, son, go on, go on, go on. Right, wait, you're pulling too much, son. They want to pull us over. Right, go on, go on. Good boy, son, good boy. Right, that's it. Right, come on, yeah, good boy. Right, cross the field back to that gate where I came through, and then get up back on the main road, and go up the hill to the gate, and over the cattle grate. Right, so normally, like you can see the pathway going straight over to that turnstile, but I kind of get over with him, so I've got to go to that bottom left-hand gate and open that again to get through. Sun's burning on top of my head now. It's warm. Yeah, so when I come along here before, I thought, right, can I cut up that corner there and follow the wire fence up, which I did to get to that gate at the top. Then I just cut through the gate. It took us ages to open the bloody gate though, because it was tight on the hook. But I managed it, and then I got back on the main road and walked along towards the cattle grate, back to the car park. Good boy, son, good boy. I know somebody who's going to lie down in the back of the car, going home. Good boy, son. I've got a nice treat for you when we get back to the car though. I'm going to give you a biscuit, because you've been a good boy for your granddad today. You've been a very, very good boy. You're not pulling at the moment now, because you're tired. You can pull me up that road though, because it's quite steep. I'm sweating. Camera's bouncing up my pocket, and that's where my batteries are, so it's tap, 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 tap. And you can hear it on the record when you play your videos back. It's annoying, but it's just something I kind of didn't know about. So I got him on a leader. Like I say, when you've got a dog on a leader, it creates many, many, many obstacles and problems, especially getting through turnstiles and gates, man. Pisses you off. Right. Right, come here, son. Come here. Come here. Don't pull. Come here. Here. Right, this is going to be a problem. Right, dog pulling up leader, one problem. Stretching the chain to get it on the hook. Second problem, because I can't. Right, come here. Come here. Sit. 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 Come here. Come here. I can't do it. Here. So this is the problems that you've got when you're disabled and you haven't got the use of your left hand. And he pulling on the leader. And this is where I'm starting to get tired now, because my patience, I get angry very, very fast. My temper just flies up through the roof quick when I'm getting tired and impatient. And he gets it in the neck. I've had enough. It's time to jump in the car and call it a day. See, he'd rather walk around puddles instead of walking through them, because he's unsure of the water. But I bought that Norway geographical jacket because it's got like a chest pocket, so I can put my bloody camera and plug it inside so it doesn't swing about like a pendulum and bashing off my knuckles constantly like it is now. And then that's another thing that pisses me off, because it's painful when it bashes off me knuckles when I'm going uphill and it swings left to right, because it leaves my body obviously when I'm leaning forward and it's got more movement and swing. Right, come on son, up we go, up. There's a whole big horse, the fence. Come on, up you go, up. Come on, up, come on. The big horses, these two, like, and the stables are just over there, the top end. It's our third one lying down beyond this first one. I think it is. Come here son, see if I can find any long bits of grass to give them. Got out in the field eat. White one's monkey. Hiya, get that grass there. That's better for you, isn't it? That's nice and juicy. There you are. Right, come on, Howie. Come on, no, leave him son, leave him. Come on, leave him. Good boy. Come on. Howie, here, leave him. Good boy. Now, I was looking at the back of the building there, and I was looking at a round turret on the corner of the building, so I think you can cut through there and then walk up this driveway and come out the gate there past the stables. So I think that's where you can go. Oh, you bugger. Who's that, son? Who's that? Oh, who's that, son? Who's that? Good boy, son. Good boy. Good boy, son. See if I can pull another tuft grass here for the other one. Right. Right, come here, son. Here, just, yeah. Wait, wait. I got such a fright there.